This video guides you through connecting your smartphone to your Skoda Fabia III 2014-2021 using Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. Note that compatibility depends on your car's infotainment system. Higher trims like Bolero, Amundsen, and Columbus support these features via a wired USB connection. Entry-level swing systems do not, without potentially warranty-voiding aftermarket modifications. This guide focuses on compatible systems. First, identify your Skoda Fabia III's infotainment system. Check your owner's manual or the Skoda app to confirm if you have a Bolero, Amundsen, or Columbus system. Also, ensure your smartphone meets the minimum OS requirements. Android 10 or higher for Android Auto, or iOS 12 or higher for Apple CarPlay. Using incompatible phones or systems will prevent pairing. Note: wired connections are required, as wireless Android Auto or Apple CarPlay is not supported in the Fabia III. Park your Skoda Fabia III in a safe location and turn on the ignition. Power on your infotainment system by turning the ignition key or pressing the power button. On your Android or iOS device, ensure Android Auto or Apple CarPlay is installed. These may be pre-installed, but older phones might require downloading from the App Store. Have a high-quality USB cable ready. Use a USB-A to USB-C or appropriate connector for your phone. Connect your smartphone to the car's USB port, usually located in the center console. For Android Auto, open the app on your phone and select Set up Android Auto. For Apple CarPlay, the system should automatically prompt you upon connection. If using Apple CarPlay and this is the first time you're doing this on the vehicle, you may need to unlock the phone first. When connecting Android Auto, your phone will display permission prompts. These allow the system to access necessary data like location for maps and microphone for voice commands. For Apple CarPlay, enable location services on your iPhone to allow map navigation and weather features. The car display will also prompt for Siri integration to use voice commands. Granting these permissions ensures Android Auto and Apple CarPlay can access your phone's features securely, enabling full functionality in the car. Once connected, test the system by using voice commands like Hey Google for Android Auto or Hey Siri for Apple CarPlay. Try commands for navigation, making calls, or playing music to ensure hands-free operation works. For example, on Android Auto, you can see apps like navigation and music displayed on the screen, accessible via voice or touch. Next, customize settings such as dark mode or app shortcuts through the car's infotainment menu. Access the settings menu on the car's display to adjust preferences for a personalized experience. On Apple CarPlay, the interface mirrors your iPhone, allowing easy access to apps and settings for a seamless connection. Finally, ensure all features are working as expected by checking navigation, calls, music playback, and any customized settings. If anything doesn't work, refer to troubleshooting steps. If pairing fails, try these troubleshooting steps. Restart your phone and the car's infotainment system. Use a different USB port or a different USB cable. Check for USB port failures or incompatible cable types. Clear the cache in the Android Auto or Apple CarPlay app to resolve software glitches. If the problem persists, consult a Skoda service center for hardware compatibility or firmware issues. The Skoda Fabia III has several important limitations to consider when using Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. First, only wired connections are supported. You'll need a USB cable. No wireless pairing is available on this model. Lag may occur due to the system's older processor, particularly when using navigation or media during busy times. USB port failures are a known issue in the Fabia III, affecting about 15% of owners, according to user reports. Always prioritize safety by minimizing distractions while driving. Use voice commands and avoid looking at the screen for extended periods. For wireless connectivity and the latest features, consider upgrading to a newer Skoda model like the Scala or Octavia.